Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we are on to bike 37 or lot 37 of the shipment 6, which is a Suzuki VanVan 200. Very hard to get a hold of. The 125s are quite common, but the 200s are sought after and hard to get a hold of here in Ireland. It is going to be priced at €2,495. It is a 2002 bike and has mileage of 14,162. Bike itself is in very nice condition. Front tyre is perfect, as well as the front forks. Front mudguard is also in good condition, and the front disc as well. Some slight signs of rust on the exhaust itself coming out of the engine and rubbing along the engine area here. No real marks on the tank or along the seat itself, and the exhaust covers look good here. Rear wheel is in nice condition as well, no need of changing anytime soon. On to the other side of the bike, then we do again have some slight signs of surface rust here around the rear swing arm. The side casings are in good condition, front or the whole seat itself is in good condition, one slight mark on the tank here, and then the front itself has some slight signs of surface rusting. The alloys itself in good condition, as well as the front forks. If you are interested in this bike, we will be taking a €150 deposit to secure it before arrival in Dublin. Again, it is €2,495 in total. 2002 bike with 14,000 miles on the clock. So if you have liked the video, please do leave a like, leave a comment down below what you think of the bike, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.